Fix it up. All right, so we are caught on the horns of a dilemma, I think it's called. Anyway, the green bike is sitting here, and I did a little test yesterday, put in the horn and tested it, but I used the shop battery. Then I set the battery on this thing up for a 24-hour test. And here is the battery, and we've got it on a load tester here. Now, I'll show you something interesting. See the 12 volts coming out of that battery? That's really nice. Okay, go ahead and hit the load switch, and it drops right off to zip. So this battery is NFG. We're going to toss it and get a new one. So that puts us in the situation where, shall we work on the green bike with my shop battery in it, which I don't want to do? Shall we work on the 441 Victor, because I have the new carburetor, so it's a candidate? Shall we work on the Green Norton, which is our no-start Norton? I'm going to vote for putting the green bike aside while I order a new battery and work on the 441 Victor, because we have the new carburetor, and we can mount that and spend the rest of the morning kicking on it. You know, I'm only doing this because the 441 Victor has run. We saw it run, so we know it is a running bike. So we should be able to return it to running status, hopefully this morning. While the Green Norton was rebuilt, the engine was rebuilt 10 years ago and put aside, never run. And we have never seen it as a running bike. I'm not even sure the client did, but I'd have to ask again. So anyway, the 441 Victor is the candidate going up on the lift today, and then the Norton will follow after that. And the green bike will wait for a new battery, which I might buy locally just to lower the time. We'll see. Decisions, decisions, decisions. And the fun just never stops.